Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert a vertical video to horizontal using Filmora. So, Filmora is one of the best tool for this. You can also use many other apps as your wish, but I will recommend Filmora. It's easy to do it. So, first step is by cropping. Here you can see the common way to convert vertically oriented videos to landscape format is to simply crop the video. But if you choose this method, be aware that you will be probably lose around 2/3 of the shot. Double click on the Filmora's desktop icon on your PC or Mac to start the program. Once the welcome screen appears, click new project and import the video. Here's the option, import the video. And then right click on the video clip, select the crop and zoom option. Once the new window appears on your screen, you will be able to see 5 different cropping options. Custom, 16:9, 4:3, 1:1 and 9:16. The 9:16 option will be checked and you need to change that to 16:9 and readjust the position of the rectangle in the left preview window. The image in the right preview window will show you how your footage will look like after you crop it. Hit OK to complete the cropping process. If you want to edit your footage further, you can do by applying transition effects or creating end credits and all this. While exporting, you will have to export in 6:9 aspect ratio once the export is complete. And that's it. That's how you can convert your portrait video in horizontal. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and check out our editing tutorials right there.